Hello, my name is Gourenko. I'm 28 years old. I'm Russian and Israeli. I studied at Moscow Tech University, and my motto is "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger," which is probably a perfect reflection of my life experience so far. For today's project, I like to present the OS Tweak system. This is a database of the customization code for, well, originally started as a customization for Linux, but during the development, I decided to expand it for other purposes. And in my experience with Linux is it's not that difficult to customize things, but it's always difficult to find how you do this. And the problem is you try different things, you try them all the time, but half a year later, when you change the computer or anything, you cannot remember for the world what did you do with your computer. So what I've decided to do is to collect all of these things in one place. I think this will help people who are not that advanced with the Linux and other operating system to make it easier and less scary to customize, and save you time, because if you want to do the same thing over and over again, you just want to go to some place your tweaks are there. And probably one day, as a long-term goal, it's going to be a client-side running application for people. The current project so far is I've implemented all the basic functionality. So I'm not going to go through this. It will be self-explanatory during the demo. So technologies I've used, it's a full stack. I use JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and jQuery for the front end. I use Python, Django, Django.js for the back end, and I use MD Bootstrap for design and layout. Of course, the projects are never ending, and there are lots of features you want to implement, but this is going to be probably the next step for me. I want to implement the code snippets so you can paste this code to some other portals, to the forums, so share it with people. I want to add the tweak parameter insertion, meaning you don't change the whole code on your own, but you have the specific fields which you can easily modify. Linux news portal collaboration would be obviously a good step forward, because they always post the direct code and it's like scattered and you have to copy paste it all the time. It's going to be like a good thing for them to compile it in one place. And personalized tweaks, because sometimes generic things just won't do, and you want to tweak things for yourself and keep it that way. So this is going to be next. But it's better to show than to talk about it. And this is how the project looks like. This is a landing page for non-logged in, not registered user. I decided to make the database view available for everyone, so you don't need to create an account or anything. You just can go online and see anything we have in the database. It's not much at this point, but that's what we have. You can see simple things like approved tag, meaning the moderator community already approved this thing. There is nothing malicious with this code. You have tags, you have the code itself, and a description telling you what exactly it will do. But if you do register for the website, you get more features here. First of all, you have one-click download button that will download this tweak as a nice shell script, so you don't have to copy-paste and just launch this code or store it locally and use it to your needs. You have a quick copy button, so you can share this link to your friends. And obviously, you can contribute to the database. Really simple. You can create a new tweak, give it a name, add some tags to it. You can select where it belongs to. For this demo, we will select the test category. And put some nice description so people know what it does. So you can approve it, add it to your database, and it's already live. So if we go into database, you can see the new category added, and people can already see. And we mentioned it that it's not approved. No one looked over this code. It's just for your information. Maybe it's useful, maybe it's not. As a moderator or admin for this site, you can obviously supervise all the pending tweaks that awaits your approval. You can go inside, tweak whatever you want, change anything you want, and make sure there's nothing. This code does nothing malicious. And if everything looks good to you, you can approve. And again, it's already live, and people see that it's approved. Some features I'm still working on, but already partially implemented. Some administrative part for people who will maintain the databases. They can quickly add things right here. We'll click on the button. And of course, nice, short, small about page project, and all the participants, which is myself and my wife, who helped supported me a lot and used as a QA tester. Thank you very much.